Discord has released a new feature that allows you to make your Discord account profile private. This will keep you safe from creeps. I will show you how to use it, but this feature is in beta and being tested and may not be available to everyone. In fact, even I didn't get it. I'm using my friend's account. Now go to your Discord user settings and then Data and Privacy. Scroll down to find Profile Privacy. Here, you should be able to tweak with the new feature. If you keep it friends and all servers, everyone can see your profile. The rest of it is self-explanatory. If you keep friends only the folks in your friends list can see your profile. There's a second part to this feature too. It's called Activity Privacy. You can keep its settings separately. This means you can keep your mutual servers and gaming activity or Spotify activity private to select the people who can see it. You can even select the server private that you have joined. That way you can keep your mutual servers private from everyone except for a few selected people. But here's a question. Why we don't have no one option, as in, I don't want to show my profile or mutual servers to literally anyone. But I guess they will figure it out soon. So yeah, this is how the person's profile looks from my main account after keeping it private. I have to add the person to the friends list to see it. Anyway, that is it for the video. The official article's link is in the video's description. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button.